Oh, you're not going to get them now. They just rallied.
Yeah.
Test, test. Can anybody hear me? Test, test. I'm not on mute. Okay. NASDAQ was a great long down there at 75.80. Mikey Jacques. I don't know if anybody got that long. S&Ps just ran 4. There they go. Wow. Mr. Short, Mr. Long. Okay. How about my funded futures? Can you guys hear me now? Anybody? Can you guys hear me now? What a shame. Jesus. I tell you, trading is trading so easy to me versus the technical aspects. I hate to say it. No, I mean open for what? The food?
Water.
Yeah, the water's open. Yeah, it's open. Yeah, and you got your food in there if you remember, and you got a microwave there too, if you want, right?
Yeah.
The food.
I'm still good. I'm gonna eat that breakfast sandwich tomorrow.
No, we got just get you a new one.
Well, I mean, shit.
NASDAQ just exploded here. Okay, let's just see.
So if this gets overbought,
I'm back. Well, I gotta watch. I mean, this is a calamity. The short was great. The long down here on the NASDAQ. What did it get down to, like 75 on the NASDAQ? I think I might have seen 63 or something. Mikey Jacques, good job, Mikey Jacques. Right here, this was a low here, 61, mod on. All right. Yes, sir. Got down to 61. All right. This NASDAQ gets up to 35 to 60, 65. I look to take a short, scalp short. Gold, double red short on the gold. Probably look to short this gold here if it gets up to the 03 up to 10 on the gold here. Testing. Hello, people. Yeah, we got some technical difficulties here. All right, let's just see what this bear flag got us here on the NASDAQ. 34. I said 35. Unbelievable. Okay. Okay, so S&P's got up to the 29 handle. NASDAQ got up to 35, 34. Just dropped 20 on the NASDAQ. Okay, no problem. All right, gold just dropped a few here. That's a beautiful bear flag on the gold on the NASDAQ.
It is.
Beautiful. It got up to
Missed me by
34.
50 cents.
What'd you get?
Missed me by 50 cents.
Yeah, I said 35.
Actually missed me by.
All right. Let's just see if this gets one more push up here. Hmm. Am I back? Am I back? Hey, Vanessa, how are you? I need a drink, Vanessa. Hey, hey, Tony Gold. Tony Gold, I got a better chance of calling the Pope. Tony Gold, you never call me back. Am I back? I'm back. Bear Trader, I'm back. I'd rather be short 100 S&Ps, 4 handles against me. Really. I need a Johnny Walker after tonight. I'm back. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm calling a short here and nobody heard me. I said, look to short this thing above, right here, above 90, right? And look at the Gabushin, 600, drops 139, 140 points. Okay, now you could look to short this thing here, 40 up to 70, right? S&P's 32, 33 up to 40, right? Then I'm calling the long down here below 65.70, and nobody hears that. Now we're kabooming. Okay, I don't know what that. All I know is it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So I don't know. Let's just go back to the 1 minute. Am I back? Can anybody see me? There's the 1 minute time frame. What a beautiful bull flag here. So I want to just show something to everybody here, okay? I want to bring up the spiders this morning, and this is why I was calling monster shorts today here. If you look at the 60-minute time frame, this told the story right here. When you see this MACD negative like this here, look to cover the NASDAQ between 30 and 45 range here. Now, if you see here, the NASDAQ, the spiders were pushing up here into the negative MACDs here. This is a Picasso here. Okay, this is a Picasso. Okay, so we were short S&Ps at 95, whatever they were at the high. Look at the spiders, 750.18. I mean, come on. And then look at Coinbase, same identical pattern. When you see negative MACDs like this, Coinbase traded up to 176 and change and got kabooshed within an hour, 12 points. Okay, I mean, this to me, this is a good short. Okay, this to me here is understanding technical analysis 101, divergences, okay? Okay, hey Luke. And I'm I'm sorry for the the technical difficulties here. You know I'm here at 7:30, so I'm ready to go. I was down 1 point, just an AMD, $22,000 on a trade. and I made it all back and then some. And the stock, if I had held the stock just 15 more minutes, I would have been up about 90,000. 90,000 on just on one position today. Let me see, is that right? Hold on, hold on. I beg to differ. I was short. Let me see, 5,000. 7 4. I would have been up about 35,000. Sorry, 35,000. Okay, 35,000. Yeah, what a nice bear flag here. Let's see if these fives can roll over here. All right, well, listen. Hey, Tyler, how are you? El Barbaretto, 44, The Punisher, Marzina, Planet Uranus. How are you, everybody? And, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. What a kaboom. Mikey Jacques, great long down there. Bear flag on the 5-minute time frame. You could look to buy the NASDAQ between probably the 35 and 50 range on a drop here. S&Ps anywhere from probably the 30 to 33 range. The boys are back in town. Yes, sorry for that. This has never happened before, so I completely apologize. I don't know, something with Cloudflare and this one and that one and that one and this one. So, and thank you for Aaron for helping us out to get me up and running here. Aaron's the absolute best. So thank you so much for that. All right, let's see if these 5-minute time frames can roll over. That was a really nice long down there. And the reason why I said the market was a buy, I don't know if anybody heard me on the long down there, but if you look at the 3-minute time frame on the Nasdaq futures, and I'm just gonna condense it here, okay? This it's okay. This pattern right here off the 3-minute time frame right here, okay, really signaled the distance from the 10 bar. Plus, if you look at the S&P futures on the 3-minute, this was really very, very good here. Okay, you're making new lows here, and the MACDs could not confirm the low. This is when I was jumping up and down, but nobody heard me, right? Hey, Scott Cunningham, how'd you like it, Scott? How'd you like it? You still short?
No.
Okay. How were we short it? How many were you short?
I was short.
Too bad we had the short and the longs, and now look at them.
Yeah.
I was still short to 600 to 630 here. S&P's here 39.5 up to 45.5 range. I don't know what the hell just came out. We won the war. We won the way. Norway won nothing. We won the war. Okay, these 15s and 30-minute time frames. All right, this was a really great long. You short?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Do you get everything, Deontay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wow, NASDAQ just ran 160. Yep. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What is going on here? We won the war. All right, see if we get a gold's rallying, S&P, NASDAQ. Put the NASDAQ back up here on the 1 minute. In that 1 minute time frame was really good. It's way overextended here now. Okay, so if let me just teach you something. If you on this short here, right? Okay, on this short here, this is the long, right? But on this short here, right? When you're scaling in,
Mhm.
and I say look to cover 40 to 50 range, right? And you're shorting, I said 40 to 70, right? Initially,
Yeah.
when it trades up to 50, 55, and it drops down to 50, cover a little bit,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
Okay, NASDAQ, look to cover anywhere between the 95 and 10 level here. It just dropped all the way down to 08. Where are you short now?
I'm short for.
All right, it just dropped down to 08. So start covering some
Yeah.
and see if this thing can start dropping now. S&Ps start dropping. Okay. All right. 7. What's that? Good thing. All right, Scott. If you have any, Scott, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. All right, I'm here. You follow the World Cup? Yep. Look at the NASDAQ drop 30 now. Finally. Okay. All right. Still got big bear flags here. I don't know what the hell happened. All I know is we had the short, we had the long, and then I don't know if you covered or got stopped, but I hope you caught this short just now. Okay. I'm back. Hey, Brave Day. How are you? 600 level, be careful. Let's see. I mean, you got a triple Lindy here, so I don't know what the hell. We won the war. All I know is S&Ps you should be flat. NASDAQ you should be flat here as well if you're short. The elephant trades, what happened? You got because of platform issues? Yeah, I'm pissed, man, because I had the short. Then when the market was dropping down there, I was calling longs and nobody heard me down here. I think Mikey Jacques was long down here. And then nice little bear flag. And then the push down here, okay, down to 80. I had no charts, no nothing. Here another rally here off the 94 level, off the 1 minute. Just one of those days. You want a My Fun T-shirt? I'm trying to get them made with the bull, the bear on it. Adam, I had this haircut since last week. All right, anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Southern Aussie? Anybody new here? Anybody from the great state of Florida? I got 2 micros long from 470. Oh, good job. 657, that's pretty steep. I mean, you're up 130 handles. I'm out. You know, Broward County, elevated trades. Well, text me. Anybody in the area wants to text me. Anybody who would like a 5-day free trial, anybody wants to text me. My cell phone is 914-500-7484. Cody Ships, how are you? 655? Could be. You know. How about Micron? 2 months ago, Micron was trading. Everybody welcome Medilo. Nita, you could be in Florida in 24 hours. Well, get here. Let's go. Get in there. All right. I think the 5s are going to roll over. The 15s are going to roll over. I think the NASDAQ could test 65.75. That's 500. Let's just see. You make it back on that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see what Ryan just posted here. I don't see what he just did just now. Okay, looks like he made Killing Asia. There you go. Get in there. Good job, Ryan. Oh, I don't know what I just did here. Let me just move this here. What a crazy start for tonight, though. Ryan, did you get the long down there, or you caught the short just now? Hey, Journey. The Luke. Oh man, what a day today. SanDisk, Micron, Oof. Intel, where's this Intel? 139. How about this? How about this SpaceX 155? This is what it opened at. AMD. AMD, man, you got to see AMD. I sat here, well, I stood here today. AMD just ripped. First of all, I went to go cover at 151, and my God, it was trading 50-30. I said, just bid 51 for my stock. Just buy it. And he was too slow to put the order in because he's got to type. It just, please, don't even get me started. And then next thing I know, the stock ran up to 62.99. And I'll tell you, it was pretty ferocious. And then it dropped like $20. Yes, sir. Good job, Schultze. All right, so let's see if this 5-minute and 3-minute time frames, the threes, can get a push down here. Remember, you're still. Oh, I've traded London. Oh yeah, I may even do a London session. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I might. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. SpaceX. Everybody's taking profits. Yeah. If this Nasdaq could get down, I would say down to the 55 to 85 range. Let's just see. You want the threes and the, and the fives to set up longs. I don't know what the hell made them rip, but you're in a negative trend here. Let's see here. SpaceX is up. SpaceX was down 15% today. Okay. And then if you think of it, though, right? If you think of it, you got Tesla monster shorts on Tesla. Tonight was crazy. Well, first of all, I called the short. Nobody heard it. And I said I would buy him down there below 75. The low was 61. And next thing I know, they ripped. They ripped. Let's see. Is 90 going to be the price here? I'm going to say. How about Messi scoring 2 goals? Yeah. If it gets down to the 55 to 85. London session you'll do? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. You want the ID for that one? That's what you're asking?
Yeah, password.
All right. Wow, what a night. Missed 5 goals in 2 games. Didn't he score? Didn't he score 2 goals tonight?
Yeah.
What do you? Yeah. What do you?
At least one.
No, 2.
2.
Messi's a goat.
Yeah.
He missed 5. I know he missed a PK today, right? In the 22nd minute, from what I heard. I don't know about the other 3 goals you're talking about. Ronaldo. Rooting for fan. Hey, Steph. How are you? Oh, he has 5 goals. Yeah, I agree with that. See if this Nasdaq can get down to 85 here. A 5-minute. No problem, Papa Del. Okay, so the Nasdaq, some crazy reason, just ran 100. Now you got to worry about these 15s rolling over here. So you may get one more push up on the triple Indy, and that's about it. See if this gold really just got kabooshed. Nasdaq hit 85 here. I don't think so yet. 88. What idiot paid 30? Oof. All right. Ryan, that was a great job. It was great buy divergences down there on the lows on the Nasdaq and S&P, especially off the 3-minute time frame. You gotta be patient, see if it works. I may have missed it. Oh boy, what was it? What was the low here? 87, 86. Let's go. Patience, 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 patience. But time frames, let's see if you get a little bit more of a pullback here. 7, 86s. I'm at this 80. The 3-minute time frame got some bull flag here. So you want to raise it. You can go maybe 88. Oh, there they go. Damn it. Wow. You go 58 to 88. Look at that. Jesus. S&Ps, if they get down to the 34, 39 range. Got a nice bull flag on the 3-minute time frame on the Nasdaq. Well, I'm
It's crazy.
yeah,
It came down
but
to
I didn't.
87.
It got down to, I think, right here,
It's crazy.
86.75.
Yeah.
I said 85.
Yeah.
So, but
That's what
you're probably gonna get a push up here now. They're gonna get another push up. There they go. 87 just ran 17. 07 be 20. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Really. I don't know. I said that was beautiful bull flag on the 3-minute. All right. You were waiting for 55. Are you crazy, Don B? I'm giving you a range. So you start scaling in 85, 75, 65, right? Don B, right? That's how I would do it, you know? But we'll see. The thing is here, you got to be really careful with this long because if these 15-minute time frames start rolling over, look out. Good night, Irene. I know. I hear you, brother. You never called me today. I told you I would speak to you, right? Okay. Now I would still go back to 55 to 85.
That what they're done.
No, this is what I'm worried about. I'm worried about this right here. See this here?
Yeah.
This indicator. So if they rally, I want to short them. If they pull in, I think you get one more push up. Okay? But I know your first day here. So this is see here?
Yeah.
I'm worried about this getting overboard, then turning down. When I say turning down, looking like this here.
Gotcha.
So you got to be really careful. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye. There they go. Wow. Oof. That's the 3-minute time frame. There goes the S&Ps. There goes, I would cancel the buys. Right. There goes NASDAQ pushing up.
Or 6.
What's that?
That was a 5-point sweep.
You got it?
No, in gold, actually, gold. $5, yeah.
Yeah, actually more, 7.
Yeah.
Gold ran 7, Chris.
There you go, yeah.
Right. I still think if gold gets up to the 14 and that 14, 15, I'd short it up to 21. There's a 15-minute time frames. I just look at gold just stroke. You can't even speak that fast. Okay. Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Will we get the stream extended? What do you want to do? Put me in the hospital? What time do you want me here till? All right. Seriously, what time you want me? What time? All right, Ryan, great job on that, Ryan. I think what did he make, about 250 on 10 accounts? I thought that's what I saw. It doesn't make a difference. You never look at your P&L when you're trading like that. You either take the position or not, okay? And you don't worry about a negative P&L or a positive P&L. You take the trade, you worry about managing that trade. Okay, so what happened today? I mean, like, when I'm trading, do I worry about one position versus another? No, I'm managing them 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at a time, whatever it may be. Okay. So you got to remember that when you're trading the market, okay, trying to open, wow, I can't believe I mean, we did lose a little bit. I don't know. I'll ask Aaron if we should stay on a little longer tonight. We'll see. Um, I still think the NASDAQ, if the NASDAQ, I'm telling you, if these 30-15s roll over, they're going to get killed. So if you want to take the NASDAQ long, maybe between 45 and 75 here, just on the 5-minute time frame, the 3, the S&Ps, what a short up there. S&Ps, if they get down to the probably 32.5, 37.5 range. Let's see if this NASDAQ can, the 10 bar comes in at 70. Now this NASDAQ, it's 86, okay. All right, gold, forget about it. Forget about it. Anybody, Bitcoin is short? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, above 200. Anybody in Vegas? I'll be in Vegas on July 24th to the 26th. Looking forward to being there. I have some business I got to take care of. I got to look at a piece of property. Yeah. All right. NASDAQ just pushed down to 86 again. Of course, rallies 20. Jesus. All right. After 3 minutes. All right. If this NASDAQ get 56 to 86 range, it gets down there. Just ran 20. That's twice 20 handle run. Winning is everything, right? Winning is everything. Jesus, come on into that positive MACD. Jesus, mother of God. Anybody from the great state of Florida here? Trying to work on this event. I'm going to look at the property, meet with some good, it's, oh my God, 30 up. Jesus. That's some bull flag on the, I just was hoping for the 5-minute time frame. All right, gold just dropped 5. I would cancel it. Beautiful bull flag on the 5-minute time frame on the NASDAQ, believe it or not. Look at this. Got down to 86. Positive MACD. This is what you got to worry about. So I would cancel the buy. If this thing rallies, I would look to short this thing because you're in a complete negative trend here on the NASDAQ. So the 30, look at gold just drop. Oh my God, gold just dropped 7. So I'm looking to see if if NASDAQ can get another push up here. I'm really got to tell you, if these 15-minute time frames roll over right here, look out below. We're doing giveaways tonight. Who said no giveaways? I didn't say that. Bitcoin, I probably short above the 64,200 up to like maybe 450. Are you crazy? Where is she?
Are you crazy or just plain stupid?
What's up, GK Futures? What's up? Yep. SpaceX taking profits. Boss man, do you think the Tesla will be as a NASDAQ? Yes, no. What's the question? Do you think the Tesla will be as a NASDAQ for? I don't know. You thinking they're going to merge? I don't know. All right. So again, coming into this morning, the first thing I do, and you know, in my podcast tonight, I talked about discipline, right? And discipline comes in many, many forms. And discipline, what I'm talking about tonight, is strictly about the mindset of the game. Look at them drop. Okay, you want to be able. Look at this gold drop 10. Oh my God, off the 15. Gold just straight up to 15. So discipline comes in many forms, right? And what I mean by that is that the coming in and having the mindset to trade every day, to look at the bigger time frames, to be mentally focused. That's discipline. And listen, I'm going to tell you right now, hands down, trading's hard. Okay? Okay? Um and you know, one thing I will tell you, okay, is that it's really up to you to really focus on making a change in your life. Now it takes to 85. I still think it's going to go to 75. This is some bear flag up here. I still think I'm going to wait for the fives to get a little bit more oversold here. These 15s roll over, look out. Oof. If these 15s roll over. Look at this stole. What? What word? Oh, gold. Yeah. If this NASDAQ gets down, I said 75. This NASDAQ just ran 10 again. Jesus. Gold. Gold just got killed. Boom, NASDAQ. Oh my God, 81. Look at this. Jesus. Holland 2-0. Gold ran 2. I'm sorry. Gold pushing up. NASDAQ. What the heck? This gold gets above 15 to 22, 23, I'd short it. NASDAQ. If this NASDAQ gets above 20 to 450, I would probably take a short on the NASDAQ. These 15s I think are gonna get kabooshed. You gotta want it. Oh yeah. Look at this NASDAQ. I had the right target, 85. Just ran 30. Oil got kabooshed? Probably. Where's oil now? I'm scared to look. I remember this oil. I was trading around 118, 119. Oh my God, poor oil. Who's buying this oil? This oil is finished. Oh my God. These people made trillions. Right? These people made trillions. Crude got killed. Oh yeah. Anybody still trading crude? I can't even look at it anymore. Just pencil down. It just penciled down here. Not even enough contracts trade anymore. How many? This one did about 400. Whoever bought oil at 119.48, he jumped, or they jumped. Yeah, they killed silver. They killed crude now. I used to love when oil was over 100, 120. I remember the USOs were trading. Oof. The USOs. Unbelievable. What a short. When crude was trading, I remember the USOs were trading, what, 153? And silver. They killed the silver and they killed the oil.
It was a good while it lasted though.
But let me tell you, I was so you guys know the story one Sunday night, silver, gold, oil, okay, oil was trading at 109.83. So I called my guys at the desk and I said, listen, it's Sunday night, put orders out, okay, 112, 116, and 120, and if it gets to 125 and 130, sell like I don't know. I told them if it ever gets to, they said, well, let's just wait. I said, short like 25 to 50 big ones at 25 and 30, and if it gets up to 12, 16, and 20, just sell, the big ones up there, right? Okay, so this is true story. I wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, me and Henny, right? And next thing I know, I check my phone and I see the high of 119.48, but it's trading 115.63.
Yeah.
So I already knew I sold 12. I already knew I sold 16s. So I said to myself, I'm going back to sleep. I'm just gonna stay short. The next day I covered it, I think some at like 99.30 and 98.10 or 98.50 or 97.80. Are you crazy? What I made overnight? That was just, I mean, I'm telling you the truth. Like, I just went right back to bed. I didn't even flinch. Trading the big oil contracts, you know? So,
I like it.
no. NASDAQ, these 15s are getting overbought up here. So, no, they killed silver. They killed oil. I mean, what can you make in oil trading? If you look here during the day now, right? Here's a little bull flag here. I mean, it moves, but they're not like it used to move $1 or $2 at a clip. My God, what a short in gold. This gold's finished. This gold is absolutely finished. Oh, you guys short?
Yeah,
All right. Cover some at 05.
I did.
Okay.
One more. How about at my entry? Just want to wait for like a sweep down.
Well, you may get a sweep. You may get a push up first.
Yeah, if that happens, I'll sell some. Give up, 100.
All right, we're gonna do the
I can trail.
Here we go.
Yes,
Here we go.
sir.
These 15s, I'm telling you, they're gonna get kabooshed. Where's the bear?
Let's bring it.
Gotta get the bear. Woohoo! There they go. What happened to my Henny? He woke up?
Henny.
Hi,
Oh, you heard the
Boo.
bear.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, my boy. Hey, my boy. You good boy? I love you so much. He is just so content. Look at the NASDAQ drop. I was trying to get 20s. I think the high was 15. Now don't ask me no more questions. Money never sleeps. Oh, it's pitch black. Actually, I like it better.
Yeah. It's not bad.
No, it's actually better on my eyes.
Way better on the eye.
Yeah. So, but if you move, it'll go back on. Ugh. Wow, you're up 30 points on the NASDAQ. Yep, you're up 30. 30 points on the NASDAQ. I don't know. I was, oh my God. Good. Wait till, oh, look at his 15s. Oh, they're finished. Look at gold. Oh, these 15s.
Come on.
Anybody short 15s? Wow. Hey, Paul. Oh my God. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 50-80 range, you could probably just take a scalp long. Just take a scalp long. Just off the 5-minute time frame. See if the fives can get one more push up. You guys stopped?
Yeah.
All right. So
good.
what do you make on that? It's about 120?
No, not that much.
Okay. See,
15 points. I took one.
let me see here.
10 points. I took one.
Okay, yeah, you got 05s. All right. I'm telling you, these 15s are going to roll over here. This has got to be a scalp long if you want, but I still think they're going to get kabooshed here. I tried to get 20s up here. They got up to 16. See that? They're going to get
I
killed.
think it's done right here.
You're long?
No.
You may get one more push up off the 5 minute. Maybe.
I'm just.
I knew these 15s. You're in a negative trend here. This has got to be a scalp because you're in a complete negative trend here. If they get up to like 80 to 85, 90, I'd be out. Watching it up here. Just so bearish. I think the market's going to... If these chip stocks ever get... If there's a wave of selling in these chip stocks, SanDisk, Micron, Seagate, WDC, look out. Market's going to crash. Oh, Aaron, did you post a link for the sign up for the My Funded Futures, Aaron? It was posted? Okay. Gold, look out. Look at gold. Gold's down 20. I told you these 15-minute time frames are going to get absolutely kabooshed. Okay. It's not posted? Let me ask Aaron if he posted it or not.
Yeah. That's actually what's nice about just having.
Wow. It never posted? I just asked Aaron.
So it's like. I have 4 monitors, so yeah. I just do that, yeah.
This NASDAQ 76, 77, it just got up to. We may get one more push up. Oh, this gold was a gift. What idiot paid $42.15 on gold? What idiot? When I call it a bull flag, I was calling a bear flag up here. Southern Aussie. Right? This is a bear flag. And I was calling the short off the 15 right here. This was the first short. Then I called the second short at 20, but it got as high as 16. Okay? No, we did not cut the SK giveaways. Oh my God, gold just got absolutely kabooshed. This is some short. Oh my God. Huh? Yeah, I said if you just you may get one more push up to 73, 72, 75, 80, and then I would be out.
I just took 5 points.
All right, good.
I only have one.
And again, if you're trading the Nasdaq, you guys should understand that you have to go wide every 10 to 12 points on the scale, and right, long and or short, right? Why do you quit trading futures? Well, you trade options. Oof, I don't know. I think you can do what you want, but I think you may like the single stock futures. When is that coming out? Anybody know? The single stock futures? That I think is going to really help people a lot. Look at gold, finished, right? Here goes the Nasdaq. Let's see if you get one more big push up off the 5. I thought it was this week. Nasdaq, I'd probably scale out 70 to 80 range if it gets up there. Gold's getting absolutely demolished. Okay. This summer's coming out?
That's what it says, this summer.
Yeah. Oh, next week? Oh, I love selling premium. If you could do that, Danny, I think that's a great. I made $750,000 roughly It's shorting MSTR premium in 2 months. True story. $750,000
That was up
in March and April of
400.
last year.
When was that with 400?
When the stock was trading over 400.
Dude, it's
No, we're doing giveaways. Hold on, let me ask Aaron if he's doing the giveaways here. Phone's all messed up here. Hello? Okay, we're going to post the link for the giveaways in 10 minutes, okay? For you to sign up, okay? You sell puts, I sell calls. You sell puts, I sell calls. James Robertson, you understand that bear flag on the 15-minute time frame? James? There goes the NASDAQ. What happened here? Avis Budget reached a settlement with hedge fund Pentwater Capital after the U.S. car rental group accused the investor of wrongly profiting from wild swings in the company's shares earlier this year. Pentwater will pay the company $650 million in cash, according to regulatory finding. Avis chief executive publicly blamed one of its biggest shareholders for its precipitous drop in the share price. All right. If you get one more push up here. What a short. Why was gold get you sweating? I was calling shorts on the gold. I didn't call long on gold. It doesn't matter. All right. There goes the gold. I know. I heard there was static on the podcast, but I told him to post it because I'm not going to redo it at 10 o'clock at night. I hopefully that whatever Aaron did, he fixed it. So that's what I was calling for the bear flag. Okay. That's what I was calling for shorts up here. Maybe the one long on the bull flag, but I was hoping for a push up to 20s. Some people took the short of 15. Great. And now you just dropped about 65. It doesn't matter. And again, I told you if the 15s start rolling over, you're in a negative trend. Okay. And if you take any longs at all, they got to be scalp longs. Okay. Any longs. Because these 15s can really do some damage here. Okay, on the roll, pushing down. When we started the night, the Nasdaq got down to 30,461, and then rallied 190, 130, about 170 points off the low. Now we should get one more push up here. Why is MSTR about to drop below 100? I hate that stock. Where is it?
I made a bunch on that stock.
Oh my God, MSCR is 110?
Holy shit.
What? Oh my God. Do you know how much money I made in this stock? Look at this. Look at the monthly. Look at this. Right here. Back in July of last year. Look at this. Right here. I shorted here. 553. This guy jumped. I was shorting all this. Right here, from here, what was this? From November all I was actually from, was it here? April to here to July. Look at this. Even here I was shorting it. Oh, forget it. All I did was sell call premium. I didn't care. They have a yield product that's blowing up. Is this the guy who owns, is this the guy who is running for governor, or who Sayer? Was this him running? Tyler Trades, I told you what to do. Okay, you need to call me. Okay, you need to call me. There goes the Nasdaq. You can start scaling it along 70 to 80 range. Okay, Hawk Trades, what's going on? Hawk Trade. The link doesn't work. Nope. Access requested doesn't work. Okay. No access. I don't know. There goes the Nasdaq on the 5-minute. You long? That's a little long.
I took a long, but I just took one.
How much you up tonight? $950?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Almost 1,000.
That's not bad. So here's what I would do. I would get, a couple accounts during the U.S. session, Chris.
Oh no, not that much. 500 because I had that.
I don't care.
Anyways, yeah.
500 is still not bad on an Asian night.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, so I would do a couple accounts during the day. I would keep one account for index futures. And one account just for gold. That's how I would do it. Pick out a firm that does where you could do minimum 50 micros on gold. They have 850,000 in Bitcoins, but are in the loss of 11 billion and 900 million per year. This is the guy Sayer. Oh my God. They own 850,000 Bitcoin, but are in a loss of 11. How are they in a loss of 11 billion? Because of where they bought it, you mean? Okay. And owe dividends of 900 million per year with no cash to pay it. So how are they running the company? What is the company based upon? Just owning Bitcoin? So it should be like an ETF then. It makes no sense to me. Okay? Okay? He buys at highs. Obviously.
Yeah, he bought. He was the only one buying Bitcoin at 100.
What, are you crazy? I was saying short the world.
I'm saying he was the only one buying it then.
They raised money to buy Bitcoin. That's it. So why did not deemed an ETF then? If that's the case.
They have a platform that they like a.
The link didn't work. I don't know what's going on here. I took a big loss in MSTR. I was just selling I just couldn't believe that what they were doing. I was just constantly selling calls. If it was trading 420 or 380, I was selling the 460, 480 calls for like a week or two. I just couldn't believe what I saw. It was just unbelievable. Even the guy who bought 450, he jumped MSTR. All right, guys, Aaron's working on the link. Okay. man, is it dead? That was nice, a little bear flag on the gold. The double red. Gold should go lower. Let's just see. Take care, Albano. All right. Let's see here. MSCR to buy Bitcoin. The pyramid scheme essentially. I actually think Saylor will go to prison for his yield product. 11% dividends where the dividend payment is raised capital. Oh my God. No way. If that's true, then
It's like a pyramid scheme, right?
that's what they're saying. Gold just got cabooshed on the double red. Wow, unbelievable. They raised money to pay a dividend? Are you crazy? Where's that? Where's the SEC? Look at this gold, 98. Gold's finished. Say goodnight. Bye-bye gold. Bye-bye S&Ps. Nasdaq's down 100 off the highs, off the 15. Look at them drop. What idiot paid 44 on the S&Ps? 30,637. Thank God the Nasdaq got up to the 80 handle. Okay, now it works, Aaron. All right. What a bear flag on the double red short. Let's see the Nasdaq here. So again, this is what I would do. I would have 3 or 4 accounts during the day. You rotate them, okay? And then you do one account for gold and one account for index futures for the Asia session. That's what you should really maybe even have 4, okay, during the day and one for night.
Yeah.
And then you just go simple, right? You go back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nasdaq's getting cabooshed. Where's the bear? Look, I said look to get out between 70 and 80 on the Nasdaq. Look at this Nasdaq. I told you these 15-minute. Look, look at that bear flag. Are you crazy? Oh my God.
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Look at this Nasdaq.
I wanted it to.
Look at this Nasdaq. Okay. Look at this Nasdaq. What a short off the 15-minute time frame. Oh my God, what a drop. That's why I said look to exit any scalp longs between 70 and 80. The high was 81. I told you these 15-minute time frames were going to get cabooshed. Right? I said the 15 is going to get cabooshed. Now, if the Nasdaq gets down, I would say down to the 60. 62. Yeah, I would probably say 60 to 90 for a scalp, and then the next bounce will be a short. Gold making new lows. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. If you bought NASDAQ at 90, just look scalp at 98 to 500. Okay? See that? How fast you got to be?
I can't believe it wasn't there.
Okay, there you go. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
503, 505. Okay.
I got it.
Gold. Gold, 15. Gold just dropped 35 off the highs.
What?
What? You didn't get it?
Oh no, I had.
There's a monster bear flag on gold on the 15-minute time frames. I think gold's going to 3,800. NASDAQ here, if you want to take a scalp long again, 55, 50 to 80 here on the NASDAQ. What a short. I told you these 15-minute time frames are going to get kabooshed. Right? Again, you could just scalp the long. NASDAQ rallied from 461 to 630, right? Okay, that's 170 points. From 630 down to 480. Come on, man. 170 up, 150 down, right? You could probably take a scalp long on the gold here, 73.5 to 80.5. NASDAQ, look to scale out any longs, 90 to 95. Are you long?
Yep.
Okay, good.
81.
Good. Okay. It just hit 92.
Yeah.
There goes the NASDAQ right back up. He will. He's busy with the stream right now. Wow, NASDAQ just exploded.
Dang, that's good.
Damn. Okay.
That was a good scalp.
Well, it ran 30. It ran almost 40 points.
Yeah.
All right. Nice little scalp long there on the NASDAQ. Gold is my joy. I like gold. P long, what's going on? Oh boy, 9 minutes. Jennifer, you ready, Jennifer? I had my first person sign up to my Discord today from the great country of Vietnam.
Cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. P-Long, wait for the raffle, P-Long. Are you crazy? NASDAQ just ran 30 on that. We have about 600 now.
I only got like.
That's it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I was scalping. I had 2 contracts. I took.
So how are you scaling in on how are you doing? You doing 1, 2, 4? You doing
2, 2, 4.
224. All right, that's not bad. So your max you're gonna do is 8 contracts.
I actually like 2248.
Well, that to me on patterns is good,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
So, but if you're gonna scalp, you can do 2244,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And bring your average price down, or up, Look at this gold. This gold's going right back to the. There's no way he's cutting interest rates. I
Think
said
about
Bitcoin was a
2248.
short above 200. I don't know if you heard me.
Feeling like that.
No, I think trading a 25,000 K account is just, if you want to practice and it's cheap and you just want to get acclimated, 50 great, hundreds better, 150 the best.
Yeah.
I understand you bigger markets to, look at this NASDAQ.
But you need to be able to take a couple losses without feeling.
Yeah. The link is closed. Hi, Paige. There's Paige from Vietnam. Jennifer, good job. Get in there. Oh my God. What idiot paid $42.15 on gold? Gold's down $40. If you want to take a scalp long, 68 to 75. S&Ps, NASDAQ, you can go probably 50 to 75. Just keep it tight. S&Ps here, anywhere from the, I go 18 to 23. Just scalp it. Okay? Yeah, on the NASDAQ. Buy it already. Boom. The low here, I think the low here was 73. That was before. All right, here we go. Let's see. Unbelievable. Down 100, up 170, down 160. Off that 15-minute time frame. Oh, I knew it. I knew they were going to get kabooshed. I knew it off that 15. Hey, Jungle Jamboree, how are you? All right, sorry for the technical difficulty tonight. Listen, there's nothing I can do. Aaron did his best, and I thank Aaron. Okay? How do you deal with time frames? I look at multiple time frames. 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames. Nasdaq's making new lows here. Got to try to see if you get one more push up here. Nice little short there. Can you believe the Nasdaq was trading 30,630? I'd scale out this long here between 65 and 75 on the Nasdaq. To get up there. Gold 72. Look to scale 72 to 76. I'm just well, look at McDonald's. Same thing, Ryan. Look at McDonald's. Look at all these, right, Ryan? McDonald's getting kabooshed. You got to use, it's a methodology based upon various different time frames I teach. I can't believe the NASDAQ. So when you see this negative MACD like this and they pushed up like that, I was hoping to get it to 2025 actually. Here. Just hit 72 here. All right, gold should get one more push up. Let's see if the Nasdaq can get one more push up here. 60 to 70 range, 75 range. See if you get. Unbelievable. S&Ps were trading 75.44. 75.44. I don't speak 5 languages. All right, Jennifer, you ready for tonight, Jennifer? Jennifer, for the raffle, for the spin of the wheel? All I know is whoever bought gold at 42.15 and Nasdaq at 30,650, they jumped. They jumped. How do you use them in conjunction? You use it based upon the methodology, which I don't. Right now, we're about to do a raffle. If you want to know, just learn. Just call me or text me 914-500-7484. A 15-minute time frame. I knew it was death. Right? And these are, if you take scalp longs, remember you're in a negative trend, right? You're in a negative trend. So you got to scalp in and out and fast. Now you can see here you're 97 points below the 10-bar weighted moving average. Okay, which I still think you get. Now you get the negative MACD, so you should get a push up here. Okay, the 5-minute time frames or the threes should start. Now the 3 MACDs, ADXs are rising, so you should get one more push up here. We're 45, right? Okay, you should get one more push up. You see this negative MACD? You want to get the 3 and the 5 to get overbought and then get killed. Okay, this is called a double red short here, right here. Okay.
All right, Steven. You ready?
Okay, let's do the Jennifer. Get in there.
I'm gonna do the spinny whale today, okay? Because I'm having a tough day over here trying to get all this going. It's not.
No problem. Let's do the wheel.
Friend.
All right. Good luck, everybody, on the wheel.
1 second. Let me switch it over on the screen and do the whole setup on my end.
I think Nasdaq's gonna bounce, and then I think Nasdaq's gonna bounce, and then I think you can look to get short. Okay.
All right. This is your stream here, but yep. Can you see it?
I can see it, but it's very tiny. I can't know if I can read it.
Let me see. Hold on.
You want?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my second.
All right, guys. For now, it's fine. We're just gonna do it this way, okay? I'll have it another way tomorrow. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. I'm gonna read out the names so that I can make this easier for everybody, okay?
Okay.
Samson Barley. I need somebody in the
Barley.
chat to tell me where we at.
Oh, they're getting killed. I'd buy more.
Oh, yes. Listen, that was the first one that worked, and the second one that I posted didn't because it wasn't working. Don't worry. Okay, tomorrow we'll make it better. I'll give everybody opportunities. Don't worry. Samson Barley? Anybody here?
1650.
You got stopped? What's your average?
My average 1650.
Okay. Buy some more 06s.
Yeah, I just did.
Jennifer?
No,
Not
she's
yet?
not here yet. Next.
Okay, next.
Start selling some 1820s.
We're gonna do it. Don't worry.
Okay, good.
Price action orb price action orb.
This last one's gonna run here.
Raise your stop.
Oh, I have
Anybody?
one left.
Anybody?
I got
Listen, it's been don't get me started, guys.
They're saying his name's not here.
Dude,
This is the list. I got all the dates. It says 6/22. This is today. Nobody.
Price action orb. Anybody here? Jennifer? Nope.
All
Nasdaq.
right.
Nope. Next.
It's not the wrong circle. It's definitely the right one. I copied the names from today.
This is good.
Oh my.
It was really one trade because I took a couple of small profits and then.
LTH Navi.
LTH Nabi.
Yeah, my
Nope.
bad. My name is on
Oh my
there. So
God.
see, so it is there.
Nobody's here tonight. What's going on?
What a pain in the ass.
We've never went 0 for 3 with names.
LTH Nobby's right there. Here. Got it.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
Got it. Next.
Next. All right, let's go. You know what? I'll choose
go.
3 randoms later. Josh Simpson, E70.
Baby goat. Get in there, baby goat.
Let's go.
Baby goat. Baby goat, are you here?
Listen, I want you guys to see. This is really the list here. See on my screen? It's really the list. I promise. It says 622. I didn't cheat you. I promise. Some people didn't. All right. Here. Got it. Next. Thanks, Jennifer. Oh, my goodness. Ben 666 FF7. Final Fantasy 7. FF7.
Ben 666, not here?
There he is. Next.
Look at the NASDAQ rally.
Robin P7U.
Brian, I can't read that.
Robin. All right. Yep, 15 tomorrow, guys. 15 tomorrow. No, we're not going to do 20, 15. Don't try and screw me, okay? That was a tough day for me. Give me a break. Nope, not here. Next. Vam Skurishna 9803. Oh, Robin is here. Okay, fine. Next. Vam Skurishna 9803. Hello, 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 hello. Thanks, Nita. We got it. All right, next.
How many are we doing tonight? 10?
Yeah, we'll do 10. Tomorrow we'll do 15 because I had a tough day.
We're gonna do the numbers tomorrow. It's better.
Cheesy pepperoni. See, that's an easy name. I want some pepperoni pizza. Hey, what's the pepperoni spot that we got over there, Steven?
Oh, Sal's?
Yeah, that one. That's good pizza. Yo, no. All right, 6. There it is. TDHTBTDI.
That's why we gotta do the numbers.
Yeah, we'll do the numbers tomorrow. Take it easy.
Tomorrow we're doing the numbers. 914-500-7484.
Is he here? Is he here? No, no, no. Trust me, guys. Tomorrow will be back to normal. I promise. It was very, very tough today with the links. They were not set up properly, but that's okay. All right. Not yet. Good to go. Next. All right, all right. Sandy Trader. Where are you, Sandy?
Andy Trader.
Come on, Sandy. There he is. Or she is, whoever.
How many is that,
What's
Jennifer?
that? 7?
7?
Yep. Okay. Felipe Dubs. Felipe.
S&P's right back up. Gold right back up.
I promise you we'll do 15 tomorrow. Maybe I'll do even 20. Okay. We'll just see how it is. All right. Take it easy.
Hey.
Nobody? Nobody's here? Oh, there he is. Felipe Dubs is here. 8. All right. 2 more.
What's that?
You really gonna make me
Nasdaq.
read this? Oh, man.
Osama bin Trader.
Ah, come
What
on.
is it doing? You know?
Jesus. You know I'm a Marine, right? This is a tough one. Give me a break. All right. Is Ben Trader here? All right. Next.
Now,
That's 9.
Osama bin Trader's here.
Yep.
That's number 9. Let's go.
Nita, you just said you weren't on the list. Well, now you are. How about
Nita,
that?
there you are, 1405. All right, there goes the NASDAQ right back up. I would short this NASDAQ if you get up to the 80, up to the 10 level, or 85 up to 15. You got a nice bear flag on setting up here. Gold finally ripped
All
here
right.
from 68
Okay.
to 79.
All right,
Nita,
Steven,
you
you're up.
finally won. All right, so tomorrow we're going to do 20. We're going to do the number. The link will work. Sorry for the great job, Aaron. Sorry for Aaron. You got to thank Aaron. We had a really big technical difficulty here tonight, and he worked his tush off, okay, for this, okay? And S&P's 23.5 up to 27, 28.5. Nice bear flags. They pushed down, okay? But I think that there, NASDAQ just got up to 80. Okay. Gold just ran. And again, I want to thank my fund of futures, and we'll make it better tomorrow. We're gonna do 20.
Yeah, I'll do better tomorrow, guys. Okay.
20 giveaways,
Promise.
and I'm gonna just call out. We're gonna do the wheel. I'm gonna call out a number, and we're gonna have fun. Okay. All right. Thank you again, everybody. Again, sorry for the difficulties. Okay, and thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you to my fund of futures, and I'm sorry for the difficulties, but listen, blank happens, and I'll see you here tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity